how to change your mouse cursor in Windows 11. So in order to change your mouse cursors, go to Windows and simply type pointer, and you would be able to change the mouse pointer display or speed. Open up the settings. From here, go to pointers, and you would be able to find a bunch of default mouse pointers that are available. And if you do have the pointer pack that you have downloaded and you want to use them, you simply need to click on browse, and from there you would be able to find the download folder and just go to the pointers pack, and you can simply open it and use them as your default mouse cursor and change it. But you can simply select any of the pointer that are available on the Windows and change your default mouse cursor. So this way you can change your mouse cursor in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.